Hi, welcome back. You have Andrew with SWI. Today we're going to talk about putting the extension handles on the Rhino Multi-Pro XA. This will be hooked up. This is just here for demonstration purposes to make this a little bit more simpler of a process. To start out, you'll want to remove your air cleaner cover. This is for your kill switch. This will be grounded out on this nut/loom holder. This wire will be plugged in here. That simply plugs and just pulls out and goes right back in. So to remove this handle, you'll just unplug that, remove that bolt. To remove your throttle cable, go ahead and engage your throttle. Your cable should hopefully pop this little nut out the groove. I didn't bring a screwdriver, but you can use needle nose or a screwdriver to remove that cable from the slot. Next step, there's two bolts, one bolt in each of these. They're 1/4 inch Allen head. This piece will just basically fall off. Once that's out of the way, the extension handle kit comes with its own bolts. Using the bolts that come with it, not reusing the ones that were in it. Comes with lock washers. The lock washers in our kit, anyhow, yours may be different, don't fit in those holes. So maybe Rhino will fix that someday. I don't believe there's any torque specifications for these bolts, but this is stainless, this is stainless, these are aluminum. I wouldn't go crazy. It does suggest using Loctite. In our application we chose not to, just because we take these apart, put them on and off out in the field fairly often. Once those are in place, you just reinstall the horseshoe looking bracket. I'm sure there's a name for it, nobody told me what it is. As I stated, you could take this off if you don't want to. If you just want to leave your extension handles on, you can remove this. We like to leave it on, so we'll just take this cable up out of the way and throw some electrical tape around it just to hold it up, keep it safe. And now all your controls, your kill switch on here, that's your new kill switch. This is your new throttle. One little trick we've done when you're pounding a post near a house, up close to a building or structure, you can take this elbow off. I'm not sure if Rhino recommends this. I don't see any issues with it myself. And flip it around backwards, and that gets you just about as close as you can possibly get to a building, I mean, an inch or two. That would be your only thing in your way, so once you flip it around backwards, reinstall it about as tight as you can get. Show you, throw this guy back on. That's all there is to it.
Oh, you're gonna have to edit that out now. That guy just came in here and ruined the whole video. Jeez. You're being all serious?
I'm trying to remember what to say. It's hard.
Oh my gosh, you just messed it all up. I totally ruined everybody's mojo.